Hey everyone, Evan Fox here. I'm the founder of Men's Health Co., and today I'm going to teach you how to reconstitute a medication. The first supply that you're going to need is, of course, your medication. Next is the bacteriostatic water. You'll also get one of these mixing syringes. And lastly, some alcohol swabs. You'll use these to clean the top of the vials before mixing. The next step is to open your vials and clean them with alcohol swabs. You'll notice that on top are these protective plastic pieces. You'll pop those off. You'll be able to see the rubber. Sometimes it looks like this, where you can see that gray piece there. Next, you're going to take your alcohol swab and you're going to open it up. Take this out. And you're going to rub in circles for about 10 seconds apiece. Once you're finished, just set this on the table and allow it to air dry. The next step is to take out your syringe. What you're going to do is look at your prescription for the amount of fluid that you need to reconstitute with. Draw back the plunger and draw in air that is equal to the amount of water that you're looking to inject. So for this particular one, I'm injecting 6 mils. So I draw it back to the number 6. Your prescription will say something like, reconstitute with 6 milliliters or 10 milliliters or whatever the case may be. Now all you do is you insert your needle into your bacteriostatic water and inject the air. You're now going to flip it upside down and draw into your syringe the amount that's on your prescription. Once I have the prescribed amount of bacteriostatic water, now I'm ready to reconstitute. Now you're going to take your medication and you're going to take the bacteriostatic water and place it inside and inject the water gently until all of it goes in. Retract your needle, carefully place this down or put it in a sharps container. And now you have a reconstitute medication. Gently swirl the medication, but do not shake it. Shaking it can damage the medication itself. Lastly, you'll need to find a way to store it. Now, most of these have specific storage instructions on their prescriptions. A common place for them to be stored is the refrigerator. So refer back to your prescription or ask your provider whether or not you need to refrigerate it. And that's it. That's the full process. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we'll talk to you soon.